got a feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night.
Pong Baclayon Church. Na hindi ko makita.
Nakikita ba tayo? Baka lumipad.
Tarsier.
This is the sleeping tarsier. Blue. Look how cute it is. So cutie.
Natutulog, ano ka ba? Yan po naman hindi maliwanag. Tingnan niya. Hello, Tarsier.
This is Tarsier. You just go down there. Yeah, the sea. Go down slowly. See that?
Guwapo.
Ito. Nangingiti pa siya.
Oh. Guwapo. Guwapo. Meron pa pala sa ibaba.
Look how many tarsiers are in there. Hello.
Okay ba? Ito po yung hanging bridge.
Ito po ang hanging bridge.
At tatawid po tayo dyan. Nakakatakot. Tatawid na tayo.
Andito tayo sa hanging bridge.
Hindi ko alam yun. Ayan. So at the end of the road, ito lang mapupunta mo, Sevilla Souvenir Shop.
Narito tayo sa Maywood Forest. Ang mga nataniman ay yung mga nabubuhay pa noong 1960s. Alam niyo ba yun?
Bale, dito na kami sa Chocolate Hills. Nakyatin namin yan. Yung summit. Ala, ayan na. Ayan na. Ayan na. Ayan na. Ala. Dito po tayo pababa sa Blood Compact Statue. Doon na po siya. Gabi na po. Sara na. Sabi nung isa, anong pinakabagay na pulutan para sa San Miguel Beer? Sabi niya, sabi naman ng isa, ito, bagay ito. Rose Highland Legumes. Ayan sa Magellan's Cross. Okay. May logo pa. We're now here at the Colegio de Santo Niño. Actually, Church of Santo Niño. Tabi lang niya yung Magellan's Cross. Lapu. Lapu-lapu. Boom, boom, boom. The mighty Lapu, Lapu, Lapu. Nasan yung kusinero?
March 16, 1521, when Philippines was discovered by Magellan. They were sailing day and night across the big ocean until they saw small Limasawa Island. Magellan landed in Limasawa at noon. The people met him very welcome on the shore. They did not understand the speaking they have done, because Castilla get at waray-waray man. When Magellan landed in Cebu City, Raha Humabon met him, they were very happy. All people were baptized and built the Church of Christ, and that's the beginning of our Catholic life. When Magellan visited in Mactan to Christianize them everyone, but Lapu-Lapu met him on the shore and dragged Magellan to go back home. Then Magellan got so mad, ordered his men to come up flats. Mactan Island we could not grab, 'cause Lapu-Lapu is very hard. Then the battle began at dawn, bolos and spears versus guns and cannons. When Magellan was hit on his neck, he stumbled down and cried and cried, "Oh mother, mother, I am sick. Call the doctor very quick. Doctor, doctor, shall I die? Tell my mama do not cry. Tell my mama do not cry. Tell my mama do not cry." That's the end of Magellan in the island of Mactan long time ago, ladies and gentlemen.